Assalamu alaikum guys, in this video we'll talk about some features added to Laravel 11.23. Let's start. As we can see here, I have this job, process old user's job, and it takes user as a parameter. And here I write a log, right? And I use this job inside my request here. And I will run my queue work command. If I back and send a request again, it works successfully. And if I open my log file, it wrote hello from job, which comes from handle method. The first feature added to the job is skip middleware. If we back here and I will say function middleware and I will say return array here, and the new skip middleware, this one, skip here, and we can add a condition, skip the logic in case of condition. So for example, I will say skip the condition if user role is admin, role equal to admin, and I pass the first user here, and in my database first user is admin, so the logic will not be executed for admin, right? If I back and I will rerun the command again, send the request again here, I will say this user, not user, stop it and start again. And let's quickly remove my log. Now it will be skipped if the user role is admin, which means the log will not be written inside log. If I back and refresh again, check, run, done. If I back to my log, now as we can see, it's still empty, which means works correctly. For example, I will pass user ID number 2, user find 2. It's not an admin. And if I rerun request, okay, it must be number 3, not 2. Refresh again, works now, it's done. Back to my log. As we can see, hello from job, because it will not be skipped because I passed non-admin user. The next one is find or fail, but for collections. For example, I will say PHP artisan Tinker, and I will say users, user get, it's a collection. Now we can say for users collection find or fail. For ID number 2, for example, it returns 44, no query results. It takes a parameter also 1 or 2. If I pass 1 3, it works correctly, right? So now it works for collection like query. The last thing, enum for get. So the old version of gets was like this, get, and we can say authorize, and we must pass a string, for example, view dashboard. But now instead of hard coding it, we can pass enum. As we can see, I have this ability enum view dashboard. I will say ability enum view dashboard and return okay. Back and refresh. It's unauthorized because the user doesn't have this ability, so we can pass also enum or clean code. So here's quickly what's new in Laravel 11.23. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you next video.